For this recipe, I'll be using baby back ribs. These beauties, when cooked right, are delicious, juicy and tender. They're from the highest part of the pig's back and are connected to the backbone. Quite expensive, but worth it. Before adding the glaze, use a paper towel to gently peel off the membrane. It's tough and you don't want it. Add 90% of the glaze and keep 10% back. Rub well and marinate for 6 hours. Now place in the oven and cook. In the last 50 minutes, take out the ribs and cover with foil or parchment paper to stop the honey from burning. Optional, but what I like to do is cut the ribs, add to a hot grill, and brush them with the glaze.